right, guys, we got 10 minutes. Let's go. Jumping jacks. We're gonna knock out 30. Make sure those fingertips are touching at the top. You want to get that body loose. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got 8 Samson stretches. Guys, you're gonna lunge forward. Once that knee touches, you're gonna reach straight up. Open up those hips. We got 10 minutes of fury coming right up. Those hips up. Okay, let's go into our crawl out push-up. Guys, we're gonna start here, hands all the way up. Hands to the ground now, you're gonna crawl out. Give me 1 push-up. Crawl back, stand up, hands up, 4 more. Make sure you're breathing. We're out here on the beach. Sun's coming up. It's perfect time to throw now. Okay. I got Jen and Marky here. They're gonna keep warming up. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go over today's movements. Today, with the time remaining after your warm up, what you're gonna do is 3 rounds. You got 8 goblet thrusters with your kettlebell. You got 8 up downs, and we got 50 mountain climbers. I was gonna go through that sequence 3 times, and we're gonna call it a day. So movement number 1, let's go ahead, ladies, grab our kettlebells up. You're gonna get that kettlebell into a goblet hold. It's just like you're drinking out of a big goblet. I don't know if that's the actual truth, but it works for us today. You're gonna hold it nice and tight under the chin. You're gonna squat down with it in a front squat. You're gonna thrust all the way up, punching all the way up overhead. That's 1. Bring it right back down under the chin. Keep going, ladies. Give us a couple reps. Good, make sure at the top, pop your head through all the way. Good, relax. Go ahead and put those kettlebells down. Movement number 2 is the up down. Guys, this is a burpee without the push up, without the jump. So you're gonna drop your hands to the ground in a plank position. You're gonna jump down into a plank. You're gonna jump forward. You're simply just gonna stand up. Okay, back down. Hands, feet forward. Stand up nice and tall. Too easy. Last movement is the mountain climber. You're gonna start in your plank position, just like you're gonna do push-ups. First thing you do is you're gonna jump 1 foot forward next to your hands, as close to your hands as possible. That's 1. Then you're gonna switch. That's 2. Switch again. 3, switch. 4, switch. 5, relax. You're gonna go up to 20. So here it is, all in together. 8 goblet thrusters, 8 up downs, 20 mountain climbers. 3 rounds for time. You ladies ready?
Ready.
All right, guys, we got about 7 minutes left. 6 minutes, give or take. 3, 2, 1, let's go. All right, guys, we're all in this together. I'm gonna go through this first round with you. Then I'm gonna coach you through the other 2. All right, time for some mountain climbers. Too easy. All right, Let's go, keep moving. All right, guys. Stick with Marky. She's got a nice pace on her thrusters. Notice she's coming down control and then she's shooting right back up. So control that weight. I love how she keeps it right under her chin. You can see the smoke coming out of her mouth as she exhales at the top. That's it, Jen. Way to pop. Guys, that pop makes her thruster. Use the thrust from your legs. Get that weight going up overhead. Guys, for your up downs, make sure you stay steady. In the Army, we have a saying, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. So stay smooth. It's not about doing all the reps at once. Do one at a time, chip away. Jim, go ahead and keep those feet nice and wide when you jump forward. Gives you a better base when you stand up. There you go, it's a lot better. Good, Marky. All right, guys, one of the mountain climbers. This is what you're gonna do. You're gonna pick a spot on the ground beneath you. You're gonna make sure your feet hit that spot every single time. Let's go, Jen. Good job. Notice her feet hit that same spot in the front and in the back every single time. Okay, Marky, this is the last round, right?
Yes.
Okay, good. I wanna see you get after it. All right, guys, it's the home stretch. You only got X amount of time. Let's make it count. Let's go. Good work. Up, downs. Make sure you get that balance. Guys, whenever you need to, shake it out, catch your breath, then hop back, right back into that pancake. All right, here we go. All right, Jen, way to finish strong. Knock him out. There you go. Woo. Guys, give her a hand. Give yourselves a hand. Guys, we got about 2 minutes left. Time to cool it on down. Everybody take a deep breath up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more time, inhale up. Exhale down. Last time, up. Go ahead and interlock those fingers. Press all the way to the sky. We got Bob, big orange ball, shining in our face right now. Letting us know that we didn't have a lot of time, but we made the most of it. Guys, I want you to press forward, right about eye level with your hands. Also want you to tuck your hips under. Give me that nice round back. One of the few times you hear me say round back. Okay, go stand up nice and tall, shake it out, and then interlock our fingers behind us. We're gonna press down, open that chest nice and wide. Keep taking those deep breaths. And now you're telling your body, fight or flight's over. You fought the good fight and you won the day. You put in your work. Shake it out, come across the body. See that heart rate there. Switch it up. Shake it out. Guys, ready to inhale up. Take your body all the way as low as it'll go. Try to reach back. Every time you exhale, relax your body. Relax your body a little bit more. Tuck your chin into your chest. Roll up nice and easy. Give me one more deep breath, guys. Leave that right hand up. Bring the left hand down. Give yourselves a high five. Good job. Catch you next time, guys.